Quickly receive an honor as the Secretary General on this occasion. We have the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency Senator Wise. Your Excellency, the Mother of the Nation, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Your Excellency, Senator Shettima GC OM, Violent, Haji Ibrahim Yusuf Idris. The convener of this event and Director General, Chief Executive Officer, National Agency, other heads of agencies and departments of government present at this event, Your Excellencies, members of the Republic of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Ibrahim Remi and other members of the House of Representatives here present, and ACG M.A. Kabir, heads and members of civil the National Agency for the Great Green Wall. Welcome all of you to this 2023 Great Green Wall Day celebration. It's a Nigerian federal agency under the Federal Ministry of Environment.
And that's the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency, being the Director General and the Permanent Secretary. As they call this, and one who love for planting of trees and flowers in her house. She's doing this for the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the world, the Great Green Wall Day. So thank you, Excellency, Senator Remi Tinubu, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, has been accompanied to planting this tree by the number 2 citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Shettima, GCON. Whilst this is going on here in Abuja, the President
to climate change in Nigerian states of Salvador, Kebbi, Katsina, Zamfara, Kano, Jigawa, Bauchi, Gombe, Yobe, Borno, and Adamawa states respectively. The NAGGW is present at these events. National Agency for the Great Green Wall volunteers present with us, Captain of Industries, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. I'd like to, on behalf